So, good evening and welcome back. I hope everybody had, albeit a strange holiday, a holiday nonetheless. Now, so today we're going to look at page 69. Okay, we're going to look at exercise number 3, pronunciation. And we're going to focus on U-R-E, the spelling U-R-E at the end of a word. Now, so it says here, letter A. Put the words in the correct column according to the pronunciation of U or E. Now, as you see, we've got quite a few options there. Now, quite a few words to put in. Either column 1, which is a, computer, or U, which is tourist. Okay, so let's see. Take a moment, see if you can fit them in the right column, and if necessary, of course, you can pause the recording. Now, so we have group 1, a computer. Now, group 2, your tourist. Okay? Okay, let's listen and check, shall we?
4.10 1. Computer.
Picture, sculpture, architecture, capture, culture, feature, furniture, future, leisure, measure, nature, pleasure, signature, structure, temperature, texture, treasure.
2. Tourist.
Allure, endure, immature, impure, obscure, secure, sure.
Very nice. Did you get them all? Now again, feel free to play the recording back and maybe listen and repeat. Now we've got some questions. Let's look at letter C. Can you see it says look at the words in the 2 columns and answer the questions. Now these are very interesting questions and they should hopefully help you to understand, how we pronounce this combination of letters U-R-E. Let's see. Question number 1. In column 1, where is the stress in all the words? Question number 2, what sounds do the T and the S make before U-R-E? And question number 3, in column 2, which syllable is stressed? Okay, now take a moment to have a look at your columns and see if you can figure out the answers to those questions. Well, let's see. Column 1. Let's check. Where is the stress in the words in column 1? And this really is the key to the pronunciation of the U-R-E. Where's the stress? No? So in column 1, the stress is on the first syllable in all the words. And really, when we talk about the schwa in English, the schwa in English is considered a weak sound. So we're never going to find the schwa in the stressed syllable of the word. Now, group 1, all of the words have the schwa, no, picture, architecture, because none of them have the stress on the U-R-E syllable. But that's a general rule of the schwa, which is useful to know. It's never found in stressed syllables. Okay? Now, this is another interesting issue. What happens to my T and my S now before we have the U-R-E? Well, the T makes a ch sound, no, like your CH, no, for example, literature, culture, structure. Can you hear? Architecture, ch, no, como la CH en español, no? Whereas the S makes a j sound, That's a difficult one, no? But we have things like pleasure, leisure, no? It is our voiced S, no? Can you hear? No? There we have our pleasure, leisure. exaggerating slightly so you can hear the difference. Now, so when we have the T-U-R-E, we end up with ch, 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 no? And when we have the S-U-R-E, we end up with the j, no? Leisure, pleasure, no? Of course, bearing in mind received pronunciation. So far, so good. The final question. In column 2, where is the stress? Well, the stress is on the last syllable. What does that mean? The stress is actually on the U-R-E part of the word. No? Allure, no? Allure. Compare with structure. Structure, it's on the first. Allure, no? It's on the second, no? Leisure. Pleasure, it's on the U-R-E. No? So this is really what decides how we pronounce this U-R-E. If it is stressed, no? It is your. If it is not stressed, it is the schwa, the a. No? Very nice. So it says here, practice saying the sentences below. And I promise I'm going to do my best received pronunciation. So listen and repeat. In this picture, the artist captures the allure of nature. In this picture, the artist captures the allure of nature. Have you got it? Okay, number 2. The Minister of Culture gets no pleasure from the sculpture. Now, the Minister for Culture gets no pleasure from the sculpture. Number 3. He has a treasured collection of old furniture. He has a treasured collection of old furniture. Number 4. Are you sure the new structure is secure? Are you sure the new structure is secure? And number 5. The architecture has some unusual features. The architecture has some unusual features. Okay, so we're going to leave it there for today. I'd like you to practice as much as you can. Now listen and repeat, and let's see what you can come up with. Okay, thanks for listening.